Hello and welcome to TechTube. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can enable the HDR effect on Rednote. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open the Rednote app on your phone. Hit the profile icon on the bottom right hand side and click on Settings. After you do that, go ahead and tap on General Settings. Under General Settings and Functional Settings is HDR effect. So if you want to enable the HDR effect and want better graphics and better presentation while you're seeing content, you can just go ahead and tap on HDR effect. Now as you can see, the HDR effect will be enabled. You can go back and you can start seeing the videos over here and the HDR effect will be applied. So if you think that it is consuming a lot of data and you want to disable it, don't you worry. Just go ahead and click on your profile, tap on Settings and click on General Settings. Then disable the HDR effect. So guys, this is how easy it is to enable or disable the HDR effects on Rednote. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more.